Welcome. Thank you for your interest in Rotary Lift and the new Mach4 mobile column lift system. The Mach4 is setting a new standard in portable lifts. It is a productivity breakthrough resulting from 5 years of extensive research and development designed to bring lift users the ultimate experience in ease of use, performance, and safety. The following presentation is brought to you in 5 major sections to make it easy to navigate. The sections include this introduction, identification of the multiple features of the lift, receiving and initial assembly of the lift, an overview of how to operate the lift, and finally, care and maintenance of the lift. At the conclusion of this video package, you will see that the Rotary Mach4 mobile column lift is exceptionally simple to operate and maintain. It is built and tested to deliver a lifetime of safe, reliable service and offer unparalleled performance and efficiency in vehicle service. The Rotary Mach4. Faster, easier, smarter designs from the industry leader. Rotary Lift, the world's most trusted lift. The Mach4 mobile column hydraulic lift features the following. Retractable cord reels keep the cables up and out of the technician's way. A quick tug automatically retracts the cord into the reel. The Quick Connect communication cables can be quickly connected and disconnected. The Mach4's patent-pending control panel is identical on every column. Technicians can program and control the lift from any column, offering quick setup and less movement in the bay. Unlike pallet jack-style steering systems, there's no need to jack up a Mach4 column. Just push down on the handle and go. Frame engaging fore and aft adapters allow for lifting vehicles by the front or rear. The forks can be easily adjusted to fit a variety of wheel sizes. Extended length forks are also available. All wheels automatically retract when the lift is raised under load, bringing the legs to the ground. The lift can be manually lowered in the event of total power loss to the motor. First, you will need to open the main panel and pull the lever shown to release the lock. While the lock is released, press and hold the manual lowering button with an Allen wrench or similar tool. Lower each column a few inches at a time until all columns are fully lowered. While other mobile column lifts are connected by 4 cables, the Mach4 uses just 3, forming a horseshoe, so that the front or back of the lift is always open. Vehicles can be driven in and out of the bay without wasting time to disconnect and reconnect columns. The lift has 70 inches of rise, giving your technicians a large amount of room in which to work. The Mach4 system is battery operated, so there won't be any power cords to clutter up the service bay. The onboard battery charging unit is waterproof, so you can use your Mach4 lift almost anywhere, even in a wash bay. The setup process after receiving your Mach4 is very quick and easy. First, you'll need to fully lower the front wheels by turning the bolt shown counterclockwise. You'll also need to remove the bracket restraining the main wheel. Now, lift each column from the delivery vehicle using a fork truck. Each column comes standard with these fork brackets. Once the columns are on the ground, you can remove the rest of the protective packaging. You can now install the batteries and fill the hydraulic fluid reservoir. Close and secure the access door. Plug the columns in to charge, and you'll be ready to use your Mach4 in no time. Preparing the Mach4 for operation is incredibly simple. In fact, setup is 30% faster with a Mach4 than with other mobile column lifts. Start by moving the first column into place. You'll need to make sure the forks are adjusted properly for the diameter of the tire. Once the first column is in place, turn the on-off switch to the on position. Set the column's position on the control panel by pressing the button representing the column's position. Now, take the communication cable on the first column and connect it to the second column. Push the second column into place, turn the second column on, and input its position on the control panel. Repeat this process until you reach the last column. After turning the last column on and setting its position on the control panel, press the center button on the control panel to lock the columns together. You can now operate the lift system from any of the columns. When you're ready to raise the vehicle, press the raise button. Once you've reached the desired working height, lower the vehicle to the nearest lock using the Lower to Lock button. When you are ready to lower the vehicle to the ground, first raise the vehicle off the locks using the Raise button, then lower the vehicle to the ground using the Lower button. Once the vehicle is on the ground, you're ready to pull the columns away from the vehicle and drive the vehicle out of the bay. With just a small amount of time devoted to the care and maintenance of your Mach4 mobile column hydraulic lift, you'll be sure to have years of reliable service. Charging your batteries often, rather than draining them completely, will extend the life of your batteries. Keeping the main wheel clear of debris will allow easy repositioning of the column and prevent damage to the wheel. To keep your adjustable forks moving freely, apply a small amount of grease to the area where the forks and the carriage touch. To keep your lift looking brand new, wipe away dust and grease from the lift.